Hello everyone, in this video I will show you two simple ways to calculate commission in Excel. The first method calculate commission without considering the sales target. So let's see. So first you can see I have a column salesperson, sales target, actual sales and commission rate, and here I'm going to calculate commission on. So select the cell, use this equal to, select here actual cell, add the asterisk sign and select here the commission rate and press the enter, and that's it. Here the commission is calculated without sales target. Okay, so I select the cell, double click on this corner point, field below cell, and you can see the all salesperson commission here calculated as per commission rate. Okay, now let's see second method, commission with sales target. So here I just go to the second sheet, commission with sales target. The same data here available, but here I'm considering the target column also. So I select the sale, use this equal to, and here I just type if function. I select here the first actual sales. If actual sales is greater than or is equal to of target, then select the target, comma, then actual sale, add asterisk sign and commission rate. Otherwise, 0, comma 0, and bracket closed and press enter. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point to field below sale. So you can see the commission has been calculated. Here the salesperson who achieved their target will receive a commission, and those who didn't achieve their target will not receive any commission. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.